Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to get to Teams from CTLS Learn. So we're going to start using Teams for our math work. The reason why we decided to do this was because we can write right on the screen. You don't have to download, print, show your work, and then upload your document again. All you have to do is go to Teams, you can draw and show your work, and then it saves itself. So we're gonna be using this mostly for independent work. You're gonna do most of your problem sets while you're working in that independent time. And you might be doing your exit tickets there as well. And then the exit tickets will also be done after small groups. So I'm going to show you how to easily get there. The easiest way is to click right here on our Bitmoji Classroom, and it will open up this link. I'm going to click cancel, but you can click open and it will pull up your app. But if I do it, it'll go to my teacher page right now. Now I want to show you the student view. So you have the option to download the Teams app, which I have mine down here, or you can just use the web app. It's totally up to you. So once I click it, it'll ask you to log in. I've already logged in as a student. The login is the same login that you would use for CTLS Learn. So it gives you instructions right here on how to get to the class notebook. Click class notebook, click the arrow to see the sidebar, click your name, and then click on either the problem set or the exit ticket. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to click on the notebook, and I will click to make the sidebar come out. And I'm going to use Amaria as an example. You'll find your name, and then you'll click on the problem set or the exit ticket, whatever you're working on today. So over here you'll see I'll have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I'll have them all set up here. So just click on the one you want, and you can see the problems, and you can scroll down to see all of the problems. And to draw on the screen, you click this draw button up here. Pick your color, and then you can just write your answers there. If you're on an iPad, you can use your finger. If you have a touchscreen computer, you can use your finger. If not, just use your mouse. So same with the exit ticket. Click here, click the one you want, and you can draw on the screen. It automatically saves, and we will be checking your work, and that will help us with our small groups and what we need to work on the next day. So that's the easiest way. Another way is to go into digital sessions, and you find the day that you're looking for. And I've set these up where you can find all of your work easily day by day. So let's just say it's Tuesday. I'm going to math. It gives me the directions, the same thing. Go to Teams, class notebook, click on your name, answer the problems in the problem set, and the exit ticket. So I can click on the link right here, takes me to the same place. So either way will work, but that is an easy way to get to those problems that we'll be using for math starting Monday.